video I will guide you how to fix randomly shuts off on Samsung S24 FE. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again tap on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.